Okay guys, so right in front of the fuel tank, you're going to remove some of these things right here, and you'll get to the charcoal canister. From there, you can remove this bolt. It's a 10 millimeter, that bolt up there, and that is all. Also, this piece right here, there's two 12 millimeter bolts that start there and right there, and that'll give you better access to this one right here. And then for this piece, you're gonna have to press both of these in, pop it out. This one, press the white piece in on top and bottom, pop that out. And then this, you just pop that part out. On the top, you pop that out, and then you can just pull this piece out right here. And then right here, you're gonna pull that out as well. And then you can just swap this whole piece out and put it back in. It's pretty easy. The hardest part for me was taking this piece off. So that should fix any issues you have if you have that code for this charcoal canister.